Hey, my self-care buddies, how you guys doing? So today I decided to clean all my, or rather our toiletry products, including my skin care products. I usually do this once a week. I used to do it also back in our previous place, but obviously all these things were inside a wardrobe. And I'm gonna put some of them in this basket over here. There were a couple of things in here, so I removed them, but I'm not going to use this cloth. I'm just going to remove it and wash it and put it away. But I will be using the basket as it is to put some of our products in here. So I'm going to change that box. This is the box that we used when we moved. All our products were here, and I'm going to change this box because as you can see, it's worn out, it's broken, and it just needs to be changed. So on this day, we had a load shedding and I didn't have anything else to do. So I thought, let me just do this. As you can see, it is very dusty in our room. It gets very dusty. And so everything just gets dust on top. I sometimes just use a small little feather duster to dust out everything. But I mean, sometimes, or once a month at least, I take out everything and I just use a cloth. That's what I used to do anyway. I use a cloth and I just wipe out everything. And some of these products in here have been used and some have not been used or open, and some are empty, empty containers, and they are expired containers as well. As you can see, these two baskets are full to the brink, and sometimes I don't even know what I have and I don't have up until something maybe is finished, and we use whatever we can grab in front of us and use at that time. So most of the things have not been opened at all. Like this bottle over here, as you can see how dusty it is. This is Manuka honey, which I'm going to use in one of the videos to do a hand treatment with it. So I bought it and I just placed it away. And as you can see inside this box, it is so dirty and so dusty. So yeah, and it needs to just be thrown away. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to put it on the side and then I'm going to start taking out all the products from the two baskets, and then I'm going to start cleaning them. Inside this bucket is just clean water, and that white stuff there is handy Andy and a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to use that to just wipe down all the dust, and including the baskets as well. I will be cleaning that with the water and cloth. And as you can see, look at this. This has not been used. I bought it and I put it aside, and it's been collecting dust as well. And I even forgot about it. It smells so good. I bought that from Africology. It's for the body massage oil. And this soap as well, I bought it a while ago from Faithful to Nature, and it hasn't been opened. It's just the box is damaged. And it's soap inside. I believe it's charcoal soap. And it has not been used. Like I'm saying, some of the things, I can't see everything which is inside these baskets basically, which is why now I'm just going to remove some of these things and put it in the other basket, the one that you guys saw, so that I'll be able to check what needs to be thrown away, what has expired, what is empty, and all of that. So I'm just now removing all the products from this one box, a little bit, or one piece on the box here. As you can see, this part keeps on falling over because there's a little piece that broke off. I can't fix it, but the box still, the basket still works well anyway. So as you can see inside, it's very, very dusty, and I'm going to start with the basket to clean. So now I've removed everything from the second basket. I'm done with the other one and everything is already in. And if you guys are interested, I bought these baskets from Snatcher online. Yeah, and I think this is the biggest size. There's different sizes on the baskets, and this is the biggest one. And now I'm just going to clean it and then put everything back. And we are done. Everything looks nice and neat and clean, and I can actually see what is what, and I'll be able to tell exactly what is short, what still needs to be used. And I'm just so glad that everything turned out so well. And that glass here, this one here, is a scrub, or was a scrub, a white sugar scrub, and I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna try and use some of the ingredients they used here. I might share that video or not, but I'm gonna make my own scrub. That's why I left it this here. I'm just gonna clean it and then I'll purchase the ingredients and make my own scrub. So everything else that I don't really use every day is in this vanity box or bag, and everything that is expired, empty, or whatever is going to be thrown along with this box. Thank you for watching. See you guys in another one. Bye.